Eric,
you cold? I'm freezing. It's pretty freaking
well,
cold.
remember,
here, man.
we're doing a thing, so are you ready?
Oh, sorry. All right.
Hey, everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric with Veterans by Design, and today I brought along Eric to show us a new tool. That's right, Eric. Today we brought along the 10-inch drill press made by Wen to complete our meat board there. No, it's a charcuterie board. It's a meat / cheese board, a charcuterie board. You know,
That's the
fine. Okay, fine. Have it your way. Tell you what. Why don't you go ahead and unbox this one, since you're all about the fine meat and cheese board. It's a charcuterie board. All right, you have fun doing this one. I'll go over here.
Man, it's so offended.
Anyways, today, let's go ahead and get started and unbox this bad mamma jamma. All right, let's go ahead and unbox the drill press. We'll move the table here for a minute, but let's go ahead and open the actual drill press itself. Ooh, don't cut towards me.
Cut away. Ah, yes.
All right, why don't you come around here and I'll show you an aerial view of the box. All right, so we got the instructions that are here for this thing. We might use those later, maybe, I don't know. Got a couple handle looking things. Take those out. We got the drill chuck, and we have, ooh, that's actually a pretty freaking heavy plate compared to the little size it is. That's the base plate, okay. Now, wow, multiple pieces. Hey, it's orange. Here's the stand. Here is the pipe. Wow, this is gonna be pretty cool. And here is the drill. All right. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and get this mounted together. I'm assuming it's going to be pretty easy.
So as Eric assembles the drill press, I'll cover the sponsor of this video. Just kidding. We're not sponsored. Well, Eric's going to start unwrapping everything and get the base plate and the motor head out. That was heavy. So he's going to assemble the base plate in the wrong order, because now he's just going to, figured it out. That's wrong. That doesn't go there. What he has to do is actually take off that collar and take off that gear for the handle. So, ready? 3, 2, oh! He's getting attacked left and right. Well, from the front, I guess. So, anyways, so take the gear off. Put it through the base plate, slide it down, put the collar on, and then attach the collar. Now grab the handle, put it in place, screw it down, and then test it out. Look at that thing. That's pretty good. What's happening? Why is it? No. Oh, Eric, please stop. Don't do a slow-mo. Oh, thank you. I don't know what just happened. Oh, he liked that. So he assembled the motor, put that on there, is locking it down. And then now he's put the drill press handles on. That's actually pretty smooth right there. Okay, now he's assembling the speed controller. And what's in there? Did he drop that battery? Sure enough. Eric, stop dropping things on the floor. You're not cleaning that shop, is
Oh,
Oh, he really liked that. Nice laser. Now apparently he's trying to show us the speed control, but guess what? Oh, thank you. Couldn't see the numbers. All right, so turn on the drill press and adjust the speed controller, and the number should increase and or decrease depending on which way you're going. But the key thing here is definitely don't try to adjust it with the motor off. So ensure the motor's off, then you can adjust it. Thanks, Eric. What is he looking? Oh. Out of frame. Smart. Anyways, so we ended up getting the drill press table. I'm pretty good. I can read that box backwards. And open up the clamps to hold the base of the table to the base of the drill press. Man, A little aggressive with that box removal there. Okay, making sure he has all the parts, assembles the guide rail, and then he's going to slide it on, see how it fits. Apparently, it fits pretty nice. Man, he gets really excited for this stuff. So, flip the base over, or the table over, to put it on the base with all these clamps. So, get all these turns. Happening so fast. The speed control on this video is amazing. Look at him go. All right. So he's got everything set up, and I think we're about ready for a test cut. Wait a minute. That's the real board, dude. Are you sure you don't want to do a test cut first? Well, he does have yep, he's got a ruler measuring device, so we can measure the center. So I guess we're good. Yep, not going all the way through the board with this first press. Don't want to have any tear out, so grabbing the drill, making a smart, check it out. And then he's got to flip it to the other side and line it up perfectly. Oh, and he's going back to the front for the final pass through, so. Yeah, that actually looks like a pretty clean hole. Check it out. Ooh, you can even hang it. Awesome. Round over the edges using the round over bit, and then make sure you sand the hole. Anyways, now wipe it down and get ready for conditioner, and this thing will be ready for all sorts of meat and cheeses for the charcuterie. Look at him.
Erik, come on back, man. I'm back. I have to admit, that was pretty good, man. So, what are your thoughts? So, this is what I like. It's got the variable speed. It's got the laser. Just make sure that before you vary the speed, it has to be turned on. But other than that, man, it was great. That's right. I mean, it was very simple. It worked. It outperformed better than I was expecting. So I truly like the whole unit. The 10-inch drill press works amazing, y'all. I did get this one from Home Depot. It was not that bad. So we like it. We're going to be doing a couple more projects later on. This will be kind of mounted somewhere on our workbench platform, or make a new stand for it. But stick around. Erik and I'll be back in another video sometime, building something, flags, or another board, or whatever. So till next time, we'll see you later. Thanks for watching.